Is your Vizio TV screen dark on one side? Don't panic. This is a common issue, and I'll show you how to fix it fast. Welcome back to Tech Vibes, your go-to place for quick and smart tech fixes. If one side of your Vizio TV looks dim or almost black, it's usually not a software problem. It's often caused by failing LED backlights, loose internal connections, or uneven power delivery. The good news is you can fix this without replacing the whole TV. Step 1. Power reset the TV properly. Unplug it from the wall. Hold the power button on the TV for 30 seconds. Wait 1 minute and plug it back in. This clears internal power glitches that can cause uneven brightness. Step 2. Increase backlight settings manually. Go into Picture Settings and raise backlight, brightness, and contrast to maximum temporarily. If one side stays dark, the issue is hardware related. Step 3. Run a flashlight test. Turn off the lights and shine a flashlight at the dark area. If you can see faint images, your backlight LEDs are failing. Step 4. Open the TV carefully. Remove the back panel using a screwdriver. Make sure the TV is unplugged. Locate the LED driver board and power board. Step 5. Check LED strip connections. Look for loose ribbon cables or connectors. Gently unplug and replug them firmly. A loose connection can cause one side to go dark. Step 6. Inspect the LED driver board. Look for burnt spots or bulging capacitors. If damaged, replacing this board can restore full brightness. Step 7. Test LED strips individually. Use a multimeter or LED tester if you have one. If one strip is dead, that entire side will be dark. Step 8. Replace faulty LED strips. This is the most effective fix. You'll need to remove the screen layers carefully and install new LED strips matching your model. Step 9. Check for panel pressure issues. Sometimes the screen layers shift. Gently reseat the diffuser sheets inside the panel to ensure even light distribution. Step 10. Update firmware only after hardware checks. Sometimes software controls brightness zones. Reset picture mode to standard and test again. Here's a pro tip. If you don't want to open the TV yet, reduce brightness slightly and switch to a different picture mode. This can temporarily balance lighting and make the issue less noticeable. If you're still facing problems, drop a comment below and tell me exactly what your screen looks like. I'll reply within 1 hour and help you step by step. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more quick fixes like this. Your TV isn't done yet. You've got this.